I do 10 non-bridal makeups in less than 2.5 to 3 hours and a bridal makeup in less than 45 minutes. And as a makeup artist, you end up getting into a place where they have booked you for 3 people and you have to end up doing 10 people's makeup in less than 2 hours. And this is what you're supposed to be doing at certain situations like this. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be entirely about how we are going to be speeding up your makeup game in an unconventional situations or in regular life. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So becoming a makeup artist is being on your toes all the time. So the first thing to speed up your makeup game is to organize your kit before you go for an appointment. Every appointment you have to be organized. The kit needs to be organized. You need to know which products are where, which brushes are where, and you need to be quick in picking up the products. Searching for products takes a longer time, so always be very organized. So the second thing is having an extras of your favorite tool. For example, eyebrow brushes and liner brushes and certain brushes that you cannot do without is something that you need to have extras of them, so that this, even if you keep a brush on the other side, you will get another one to work on. This again helps you not searching products and being fast with your makeup game. So the third and a very important thing is to mixing product to reduce the steps and time of the makeup. Mixing products really helps you. As soon as you see a client, you need to know their skin concerns. Put everything on your palette, whatever the cream products and liquid products you're supposed to be needing. Mix whatever you can mix and start going with the application. This saves a lot of times and helps you be very fast in your makeup game. Fourth thing is non-bridal makeups needs to be quick. So if you're taking 1 hour for a bridal makeup, you have to take at least 30 minutes to finish your non-bridal makeups. It is very essential for you to be very quick with the non-bridal makeups, because you might have many of them if you're in a wedding hall. The next and a very crucial thing is ask your client to give the reference and try meeting them or having a chit chat about it. Meeting them is very important. If you can, then go for it, because you get to know your client in person so that you can understand their skin texture, type, tone, everything, and their hair concerns as well, so that this can help you be very quick with your actual day of makeup. If possible, give them a trial as well if they are asking it for. Again, this will help you understand their tone, concern and everything, and you can be a little more quicker than usual. Also, having reference of what they're looking out for is very important, because you do something and they don't like it and you have to redo it. That is all an extra mess. So be very patient with all of these things. So sixth point is to reserve certain looks which takes a longer time only for bride. For example, cut crease eye makeup, hollow eyes, intense smoky eyes, and half cut crease. These are the kind of makeup that you need to be doing only on the bride, not on non-bridal makeups. For non-bridal makeup, go for something that's very one-tone colors and just an intense liner or something. So again, this saves you up a lot of time, and this also saves you up a lot of products, which is very essential. So unless they particularly ask for something, try managing these theories. Giving bride their special look on a particular day is very important. You do a bride and a bride sister alike, it doesn't add up to it. So reserve certain looks only for the bride so that they look very special on their special occasion. It doesn't mean you have to do only these looks on the bride. I have done a single eyeshadow thing on a bride as well. because they asked for it. They wanted it to be very minimal. So understanding what your bride or what your client want is very important as a makeup artist or even as a hairstylist or anybody into this industry. Seventh thing, not just only saves up your time, it will also save up your products. That is using same formulations on multiple things. For example, if a person doesn't have a lot of problematic skin, if they doesn't need a foundation, I end up finishing their makeup only with concealer. I've done this multiple times. I use concealer, dark colored concealers for bronzing, for contouring, so that it just speeds up your makeup. You have one palette and you do multiple things out of it. I've used the same concealer palette for eye makeups as well, and I've used lipsticks for blush and eye makeups. So understanding formula plays a very important role in this, and you being able to use these formulations for multiple things will speed up your makeup game. Eighth thing is to work at your comfort. So having a good chair, having a good placement of your makeup vanity, all of these things are something that we end up neglecting, but having these things in order is very important for you to be quick, for you to be comfortable. So if you're into an uncomfortable situation, it is more likely for you to take rest in betweens and end up becoming late to finish the makeup. So it is always important to put yourself first, give a comfortable posture or a place for a bride or any of your client, but also stand at your comfort. If it is necessary, if your back is aching, you're on a back-to-back booking, find out a place where you can sit and do the makeup. I've done this, and trust me, it is very important to put yourself first so that you can be very quick in doing your makeup. The ninth and a very crucial thing is to having a helping hand. It is very important if you're a hair artist or makeup artist, whatever. If you have multiple clients, please have somebody who can help you. I usually take my mom, so it is very important for her that I am safe in such places and everything. But again, she have a touch of makeup. She have learned hair and makeup artistry way before I've done it. It is really good for me to having a helping hand so that I can finish my work quickly. By the time I finish the face, she will be finishing a hairstyle. By the time I'll be doing a makeup on somebody else, she will finish the sari draping of somebody else. So it is very important to have somebody who can help you. Again, this will help in a lot of time saving. Last and the very important thing is to having a lot of practice. Practice makes you better at your craft, as well as it will help you pick up a lot of speed. So always being very punctual is also very important. You need to learn managing your time. Also multitasking is very important as a beginner. So you need to understand all of these things, and these are my 10 tips for you guys to pick up a lot of speed as a beginner or even as a pro makeup artist. This is it for today, and I really hope you guys liked the video. I really hope it was very helpful for you guys. So until next time, stay tuned, take care, bye bye, love you guys. Like the video, then you guys know the drill. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.